The weather here is just unprecedented. Like, I cannot explain to you the fact that it's supposed to be spring, like in a couple of days, and it's hailing. And this isn't the first time this week. It rained like 5 different times yesterday. This is a regular thing. It rained all night long, and then it's all sunny for like 20, 30 minutes. And then it's like the earth is about to end. The wind feels like it's going to blow the building over. And yeah, hail. Hail. So, yeah, don't get to go outside much here on this here holiday, but hopefully, supposedly the weather said it's only going to do this till today, so we'll see. Did get a nice walk in on Sunday, but yeah, every time I thought about going outside again yesterday, it rained, so that didn't really work out. Hail. Really?